Lolha kids, let's learn. Phonics, rhyming words. Words starting with WH.
WHO.
Who are you?
I am a boy. WHYY. Why are you crying?
I fell down. WHAT. What?
What are you doing? I am playing.
WHEN.
When will you come? I will come by 5 p.m.
WHICH. Which?
Which one do you like? I link pink one.
WHERE. Where?
Where are you going? I am going to school.
WHOSE. Whose?
Whose book is this? This is my book. WHOM. Whom?
With whom you were speaking. I was speaking with my mom. Let's summarize the commonly used WH question words are:
Who? Why? What? When? Where? Which? Whom?
whose. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel to watch more videos like this to learn more.